Set sail to Jamaica.
All right, Captain.
My son saw it on Exploringjamaica.com.
Really? What is that?
It's a website about Jamaican people, food, some history and things to do. But all I care about is the rum. And more rum.
I would be glad to try out some Jamaican food. What is one of their main dish?
Oh well, I believe it's ackee and salt fish.
Interesting. I don't believe I have tried ackee and salt fish before.
Good. Hurry and set sail. I need my rum.
All right, Captain. Setting sail to exploringjamaica.com. Oh sorry, I meant Jamaica.